Hello everyone, this is Rick and I'm doing a juice and this is my recipe. I wanted something mild. I'm liking mild juices, not too sweet, not too bitter. And you're looking at a sweet potato. And underneath that is some, it looks like a small Napa cabbage, but the Chinese or the Asian grocery store that we went to said it was a sweet bok choy. I'm thinking Napa. It looks just like a smaller Napa cabbage. And then we've got some romaine heart leaves. Not very much. They were remaining. But it's about half Napa cabbage, half romaine. And then we've got sweet potato instead of carrots. Because I'm a diabetic type 2 and I'm trying to get my sugar down. I'm right on the edge. So that's what we're going to do. And there is my Omega J8006 juicer, horizontal. And you have to feed it in. We're doing our juices one at a time. But we're seriously thinking about the Nama J2 batch juicer. So I'm going to see if I can go a week on a juice fast. If I can do that, I might get the JAMA 2 or the Nama J2, the Nama J2 juicer. All right, there it is. And I'll post how it tastes in the comments. Thank you for watching.